Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VERU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the consolidation continues. Volume is really starting to drop off now, and that's something that I'm not going to say is a huge red flag, but it is a red flag in the sense of the type of people that trade these stocks. They want to see movement. They want to see volatility. And if volume remains too low for too long, they're just going to go find something else that is giving volume, that is giving volatility. In order to move on, well, part of that is taking their money. And how do you take your money? Well, you have to sell your shares, and selling could create further downwards pressure. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I'm just saying that when you see volume drop off so much like it has, it becomes a very real possibility that something like that could play out. So you want to keep a close eye on that. So far, so good. This $8.50 mark has been doing a good job of holding, but because the price is so close to potentially breaking down through there, I do want to get the next level of support mapped out, and that level of support would be this previous breakout area down there at $7.50. So $8.50, $7.50, two main areas of support headed into next week. Now, in the event volume all of a sudden comes back in, the price starts to react back to the upside. As far as that initial area of resistance is going to be concerned, that is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So yeah, right now it's valued at $9.55, but that line's going to move, therefore the value is going to move around. But let's just call it $9.50, to keep it straightforward. But you can actually see already that that level has rejected the price right there. So again, if there is any sort of attempted movement to the upside, $9.50 will be that first key area of resistance. And then if the price can push up through there, next key level would then be up around the $10.15 mark. But as of right now, like I said, the overall chart's hanging in there. It's going through some consolidation, but you just don't want to see that volume remain too low for too long. But it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.